Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well. Today, I am going to take an English class again on English second paper. Today's topic is right form of verbs. I will discuss with you about some important rules and common rules of right form of verb. Now, look at the first one. Here, I have written am, is, are, was, were, takes, verb plus ing. If active voice. And am, is, are, was, were, takes, past participle, if passive voice. So my dear students, active voice and passive voice means active voice is subject dominating verb is active voice, and passive voice means object dominating verb is passive voice. I will make you understand giving some example. Here, look, they are playing football. Here, subject is they. They is subject, and I think he is dominating the verb. Here verb is play. So according to the rule, am, is, are, was, were, takes verb plus ing if active voice. So it is a active voice, so the verb will be ing. So our answer is they are playing football. Now look at the second sentence. The answer was written on board. Here the answer, I think it is object. Object means the words has come from subject's word. So this is object. Here the word is dominating the verb. So if the sentence is passive, here answer will be past participle. Our answer is the answer was written on board. To make you understand very easily, follow this: play, played, played, write, wrote, written. We all know that there are three kinds of verb. One is present, the other is past, and the other is past participle. So here ing, here past participle. Now look at the second example. Here have, has, had, takes past participle. But have, has, had, takes been plus past participle. But there is a difference. If active voice, then past participle, and if passive voice, then been plus past participle. So now look at the example. Here, he has broken my heart. Here, subject dominating verb here. So have, has, had after verb will be past participle. Here, break, broke, broken. So broken past participle. Our answer here, he has broken my heart. Now look at the second sentence. The news had been published on newspaper. Here the news is object and the word is dominating verb, so it is a passive voice. So our answer will be the news had been published on newspaper. The rule has said clearly have, has, had, takes past participle if active voice, and have, has, had, takes been plus past participle if passive voice. So this one is active voice and the other one is passive voice. Now look at the third rules. Here shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, might, must takes present form of verb if active voice. And again, it takes be plus past participle if passive voice. Already I have talked to you about active and passive voice. Active voice once again is subject dominating verb is called active and object dominating verb is called passive. So now look at the example. Here they will help me. Here they subject and it is dominating verb, so it is active voice. So our rule say they will take present form. So here answer will help. But the other sentence, the room should be decorated. Here the room object and it is dominating subject. So the verb will be past participle and be will be taken. So our answer is the room should be decorated. Here help present, help past participle, past tense, help past participle, decorated present, decorated past and decorated past participle. So my dear students, you can learn or you can practice many more sentences following the grammar books by this way. Now I want to remind you again about the rules. Here I have written am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were takes verb plus ing if active voice, and am, is, are, was, were takes past participle if passive voice. Here the word present, past and participle. Now the second rule, have, has, had takes past participle if active voice, and again have, has, had takes been plus past participle if passive voice. Now look at the third rule, shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, might, must takes present form of verb if active voice, but it takes be plus past participle if passive voice. So I think you will be able to learn it and you will also follow the rule to make your right from verb clear. No more students, I like to stop here. Pray for me. Be safe from coronavirus. Thank you very much.